What's up? What's up? It's Coach Sir Zamar. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm doing a video today. It's a happy Friday to all of those that are ready for the weekend kickoff. I'm going to give you an update today. I hadn't did a video in a while, so here I am. I want to speak from a standpoint of progression, and it's important to implement what you have learned. As you gain and acquire knowledge, you want to make sure that that is working for you, and the benefits is either turned into money or time or improvement, development, whatever the case may be. But it is important to implement what you have learned. And so I have been doing that over the last couple of weeks. I've been focused because I have some goals that I'm trying to reach before really July. And I want to make sure that I'm focused. And when you're focused, you have tunnel vision and you're unstoppable because there are distractions and many things that may try to hinder you. But in knowing that you have prioritized the things that are important to you in your life, you get the job done. So I also wanted to speak about my update with PLS. If you don't know what PLS is, it's Power Lead System. And I am using that as a marketing tool to elevate and my business as I create income and pushing traffic, free traffic and paid traffic. I just made a traffic buy earlier this morning at about 12:30 or so a.m. and I'm excited about that because it helps me to get faster closes. My team is rocking it out. Shout out to the Freedom Takers. If you are interested in making serious income working from home, you have to accelerate. And buying traffic accelerates your business to the max. And so for the next couple of weeks, I will be pushing traffic really hard because I want to be a solid income earner online. And in order to do that, you must have customers. And traffic equals customers, which equals dollars. And Benjamins, this is about building something substantial. So for more videos, of course, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video. Make sure you connect with me. If you have any questions, feel free. I do also have a creative coaching private group. And if you are Facebook friends with me, some of you are already connected with that group, which is separate, which is a personal, just to help me get through some of my messages and emails. I have created that group to post there so that you can see my results, see what I'm doing, and hear from me. So, till next time, happy Friday. Thanks for watching. I will be doing more videos as I have great testimonials to share with you in the future. So stay tuned. Peace out, be blessed, and remember, invest your life.